think we
Yours.
settled on you.
Oh, whatever.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
A little stressed.
Yeah.
Stress pee.
Stressed. Never had one of those before.
Actually have to
I
pee
can't
too.
believe that. I honestly can't. Did both you guys go to the bathroom right now? Seriously?
All right, I'm back.
Yeah. Great.
What?
Nothing. We're just guess.
Guess what scent of hand soap I have?
Noir.
What?
Ew. Hell yeah.
Noir. Or what's it called? Noir.
5, 4,
Get the name.
2,
I don't know. But you were wrong.
Wow.
Pippi,
It's a big
your
list.
guess?
My guess is it like a okay. Is it something flowery?
It would surprise you.
It's not something like roses, is it?
No. It's English lavender.
Oh shit.
I did not choose it.
But it's in your. How did you not
People
choose
who
it?
owned the house before left it
The same
here.
soap?
It was like
You're
a full
still
thing.
using it?
I mean, it's my guest bathroom,
Shout.
and I don't go in there very often.
Well, you just did.
defend,
Man has a guest
Is it-
Well, yeah, because
bathroom.
it's closer. But I already used my thing. By the way.
Yeah, brag about your guest bathroom.
Guess I could just call it the second bathroom if it makes you feel better.
Is it a full bathroom or is it just like one of those?
Yeah, it's full bath.
Wow. 2 bathrooms to clean. That's great.
shout,
Not if you don't use it.
You just did.
Right.
Well, okay. Not that often though.
defend,
Yeah, it's fine.
And it's only the toilet. You only have to clean the toilet. Like, that's not that hard.
shout,
Did you do that intentionally?
slam,
Yes.
Okay.
caltrabs, defend, short slam, defend, thunderclap, defend, defend, short slam, AOE,
I have to remember I have strangulate now. I always forget that I have
Yeah,
it.
you have a
short slam,
individual sons. Nice.
caltrabs,
Also, Pippi, a tank never
AoE.
unintentionally pulls. Pulls
thunderclap,
precisely when he intends to.
Well, I don't know. It's you.
You sound like a wizard.
That's hurtful. That was the point. You got the joke.
I assure you, every tank I know is not a wizard.
AOE,
How high can you count, Van?
How high?
Yes.
How high
Never tested the
can you-
limit.
how high?
Also, although when I was in primary school, I did have multiple books with numbers. I like kept writing down numbers, going higher and higher to see how high I would write the number. I probably made it to like
Feet. Strike.
400,000.
That's insane.
Right? I thought it was insane when I realized I remembered. I got first up.
Just do that during class when you were bored or something?
My entire class did it.
Feet.
Oh.
Strike.
I don't know what made us start it. We just did it.
Brutal
Yo,
strike.
this guy jumping around like a
But you know those like white and black like notebook? Oh, I got
very
fucking stunned.
athletic
Composition
animal.
books?
Composition books,
Uh,
yeah. I had like 5 composition books
Feet.
of numbers.
That's some Rain Man shit right there. Like, what the fuck?
I wish.
Do you still have them?
No, I looked for them a while
Feet.
back.
Strike.
I think probably one of my parents saw. I was like, "What the fuck is this?
Slash.
Just a bunch of
They're like,
numbers."
oh no.
He's a serial killer.
my child's an idiot.
Oh.
You and your weird right route. I don't get it.
I like the right route.
It's
Right
awful.
route. Say it 5 times fast, Van.
Right route, right route, right route,
Okay,
right
that
route,
was-
right.
Not me.
Nailed
Steal my
it.
identity, not a joke.
Identity theft is
That
not a
is not a
joke, Jim.
joke, Jim.
Millions of Americans suffer from every year. Michael? Oh, that's real funny. Michael?
Defend. Defend.
Oh,
Bold.
good job.
Okay.
It's the guy getting murdered right now, so. Ow!
Caltrabs.
There's a lot of sharpshooters.
Yeah, they're all fucking focusing me, of course, when I've got
Shout.
something on me already. Oh, this is bad.
Caltrabs. Greater heal.
I'm just going to make that guy not do anything for a while.
Defend. Caltrabs. Shout.
Mm-hmm.
Shout. Caltrabs. Caltrabs.
Hot shot.
Why did you pick this side?
Quiet from the peanut gallery.
This mini boss sucks.
It doesn't suck. It's just misunderstood.
Caltrabs.
It's just when you're with Dusk.
Yeah, well, most things do. Oh, that's in the video.
Oh, wow. Damn, after all
I'm
he's done
linking
for
him this
you.
one.
It was a joke, Dust. Please don't be mad.
Okay.
He said what he meant, and he meant what he said.
Strike.
Is that from Dr. Seuss?
Sure.
I don't think it is.
Who's honest 100%? I think that's
Warpath
the end of it.
2025. That wasn't like a presidential.
I'm gonna try and like
Do you want me to like lust at any point? Like I'm just
Feet.
sitting here with it after switching pets, losing a
You could have
heel
left for
and
that first
everything.
pull that we did, but I mean, you know, we
You
did
didn't
tell you to
tell me.
lust when you're supposed to.
And the last one?
Huh?
That's the only time you told me to lust was in Theater of Pain.
Feet.
No, I told you to lust when you're supposed
Defensive.
to, and then you didn't.
I don't know
so
when that is.
that's on you.
Seal of flame. Feet. Defensive. Seal of Flame.
Did I actually lose that heal? Of course.
To me, you don't have your spirit beast out.
So the Spirit Beast gives me 2 heals. One's a heal over time that heals for a lot, and the other one is like a little.
Doesn't one
Really?
dispel something? Or like dispels from the target?
I think so.
Defend. Divine Judgment. Defensive. Divine Judgment. Divine Judgment.
We do each other. Yeah.
Am I
Andy,
left
get
swinging?
the plus now actually.
Feet.
Oh,
Blast.
I can get the Cinder Blast.
Don't have
Epiphany, get the
Kick.
War Cry,
What the
Battle Cry.
fuck? Did I get a line?
why is it
I think so.
not?
Savage Mauling.
Yeah, so Epiphany, you're always going to be the Battle Cry on Dale Cry.
Feet.
Oh, my interrupt's on cooldown.
It's fine. It's not going to happen for a while. Oh, did you just kick?
Yeah, not long ago.
That's fine. Just save it for
Feet.
the next
Kick.
Cry. I believe in you.
I don't
I
have
got
that.
it. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. I was like, it's going to be down to the wire, but you're going to get it.
Savage Mauling. Pierce Armor. Cinder Blast.
I don't have.
That's
Feet.
So one of the reports that Dust shared, he had like 48 interrupts or something like
Feet.
that.
What's that?
Kick.
I don't know. Van always has a shit ton of interrupts.
Whenever
Anytime
he's
Oh,
playing
my
his
anything.
Paladin.
Paladin,
Yeah.
because it's literally
Mauling.
it's like all they do is interrupt things.
Hey,
Pierce Armor.
other stuff too.
Like
Do
what?
battle res.
I sack people. I freedom people. I give them.
Sack people.
Yeah, I sack. I bop.
You
I
put the
spell
sack on
ward.
people.
Cinder Blast.
I lay on hands.
Pierce Armor.
Did you ask for permission
Feet.
first?
I it's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
God damn.
Hey, in the context of WoW,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a monster.
That sounds like something a monster would say.
Right?
Emissary's up.
Well, hopefully it dies with everything else, because
So you can't fucking see anything. Oh, that's bad. Standing in.
Consecration. 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 Greater heal. Consecration. Consecration.
I wonder if your pet could steal wings. You have the special pet.
no, it's not a mage. It can't fucking spell steal.
The special, I think the special ability is you can take a buff from a target.
That doesn't sound right.
I honestly don't remember a lot, but that's what I remember from the spirit animals.
Hippie, can you confirm or deny?
What were we talking about again? I was ignoring him.
Oh, okay.
So mean.
Sheesh.
Jesus.
Seriously, though, I was not paying attention. What was the question?
Spirit animal. Don't they have ability that they can like take a buff from a target, or is it that they can take a debuff from an ally?
I want to say it's a debuff with Spirit Mend.
Okay.
Oh.
They don't have like a spell steal or whatever.
Well, I guess she's the expert.
I didn't know.
Consecration. Greater heal. Consecration. Greater heal. Flame strike. Consecration. Greater heal. Consecration. Consecration.
Oh, look, anal beads came online.
Wait, why is your name Blame
Power
Van
beads.
now?
Because it's your fault.
What? I'm not the
I don't
healer.
know.
I actually do have a priest named Blame Van.
Wow.
Because it's always the healer's fault, right? And back when I actually mained healer,
Makes sense.
I was
Well,
often
it's still
blamed
on
Hammers.
for other people's stupid mistakes. Also, no one's grouped.
Soaks.
Hold on, let me soak this first one. Let me soak it. Let me soak. Nice. I can soak that whole one myself with
Burning light.
AMS.
All by yourself? Proud of you, buddy.
Mm-hmm. He's
Vindictive
pretty
wrath.
neato. Also, we just let that emissary
So-
go.
Why the fuck?
Five,
There's just people still just standing out of
Hammers.
nowhere.
2, 1.
Well, you see. I can't say it on YouTube.
Lust is up.
Soaks.
Sacrificial pyre.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You liar.
Let
You
me
can
try to soak
cast
this.
Press the
it.
button.
Let me
You
soak-
can
let me
press
soak
the button, but the debuff's 10
3
minutes.
seconds.
Oh, I know.
How long do we have on this?
I have no clue. About to find out.
Burning light.
You got all of them?
Nice.
Are you
Yeah,
kidding me?
yeah.
That's crazy. I know it's probably a 6. You probably couldn't do that on like a 10.
Yeah, I won't be able to get all on that later. ones.
Hammers.
But that's crazy. You can kind of just soak all of them. Maybe not now because it's going to have like a debuff. I think it's
Soaks.
happening again and you don't have it for sure. But it's only 3 this
15
time.
seconds.
Move.
Captivator shield.
Why is it only 3? That doesn't feel right.
It goes between 3 and 5.
Oh,
Burning light.
I don't know why.
Vindictive wrath.
Casting Avenging Wrath, cringe. Add out.
Hammers.
Purity.
Andy, you gotta beat Blame Van. Blame Van cannot end up on top.
Soaks.
Sacrificial pyre.
Why not?
No, my only other chance.
okay. Rude.
You get
Ow.
this?
Yeah.
Burning light.
This guy's probably confused by this. Is so easy to heal.
Except for someone just dying randomly.
Well, you know. That happens.
Look, the only reason why I was on top was because Warpath is actually doing mechanics.
Hey, I do those a lot. Thank you.
Actually doing mechanics.
It was a compliment.
Yeah, it did not come out that way.
You think everything that comes out of my mouth, Van?
Warpath
is a
did not
sarcastic
say.
insult.
Warpath, did you see that as a compliment?
Not really.
Yeah.
Of course not.
it
was kind
implies
of
that he
like- it was
doesn't
kind
do
of like
mechanics.
A backhanded compliment, if
Oh,
anything.
shit, I wasn't paying
The only reason
attention.
he's ever top damage is because he doesn't ignore mechanics.
I mean, I tried to do like the minimal amount required.
Yeah, absolutely.
Consecration.
But I think everyone should do that.
Consecration.
Maximum effort,
Funny.
no minimum effort.
Dan's gonna do all
No,
the,
you put
cleaning
maximum
someday.
effort into giving minimum effort. That's how it works. When you do that, that gives you the most chance and opportunity to do damage.
Consecration.
I'm gonna get you. Run!
Consecration. Consecration. Greater heal. Greater heal. Consecration. Burst of light.
That sucks. Oh, it worked out.
Can you grip over mage if you cast? Thank you.
Fireball volley.
Stairs up.
Fireball volley.
Kazalgar sounds very like Middle Earthy to me.
Kazalgar.
And I think of Lord of the Rings every time I hear it.
Really?
Yeah.
Fireball volley.
Well, I think because
Or
it's
like
dwarven
Khazad-dûm?
and like, yeah, Khazad-dûm.
Yeah, Khazad-dûm makes sense.
Burst of light.
Yeah, I never really thought that way. Big pole with middle? Yes.
Oh,
Do what you want, no balls.
Now I have to. Lust?
really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Blazing strike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fireball
this
volley.
guy does like ticking rot damage to everyone. And
Can you get this epiphany?
Hurts.
Fireball volley.
I can't. I had no health.
Greater heal.
Because I
Greater heal.
died.
Blazing strike. Greater heal.
Oh.
Fireball volley. Greater heal. Blazing strike.
but you did lust, so
The important
mission
part.
accomplished.
Blazing strike.
Surprised this guy didn't trank. He had trank. I guess he had just more
Trank's
important
not really
healing.
good in dungeons, to be honest with you.
He isn't. I don't know why they run it.
They for a time they did like 100% increased healing on Trank in dungeons specifically, and it still didn't get ran
Right? Yeah, I remember that.
because it's great when you're healing 20 people, but it sucks a big one when you're healing 5.
It's because you can't cast anything else while you do it.
Yeah, you're just channeling Trank for nothing.
Greater heal.
So I have to like stand still.
Yeah, the best thing they ever did was when they allowed you to move with Trank. Like, people actually ran Trank when that was a thing.
Yeah, they should make trank
And
more like
it's not really
convoke.
keys, but honestly, Trank in raid isn't even that powerful of a cooldown. It's pretty
It's good if you
lackluster.
ramp with other things, but on its own, no.
Yes, yeah.
Holy flame.
Anything you want to add to this conversation, Pippi?
I'm too busy trying not to die again.
Turn.
3, 2.
I'd be
Turn
impressed
around,
if you found a way to
Red Eyes.
die here.
You'd be surprised.
I would
Holy
be.
flame.
Oh, the ad's up. That's great.
Holy flame.
Hmm.
Beam.
You're gonna use Slappy Heads now?
Purify.
We'll accidentally use it later.
Turn.
Definitely use it
myself.
now. Turn away. Turn around.
Holy
Every
flame.
now and then I get a little bit lonely.
Da-da-da. Don't know the rest of the song.
Same, that's
around,
why I
bright
stopped
eyes.
singing. Yep.
I know the commercial. I finally found the right snack.
Flame.
What percent does this guy leave at?
Now.
Barrier of light.
Perfect.
Now percent.
That's the perfect percent.
Okay, I have Ursula. I'm gonna wait till everything's up.
Barrier of light. Embrace the light.
I don't think any of these are on me.
Look at that, clean.
Beam. Purify. Turn. Light.
3,
Oh, look at the boss. Look at the boss. Beep, 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 beep.
Holy flame.
He trusted you.
I
No, he
did.
didn't. He was yelling at me.
It's not yelling, exclaiming.
Stop yelling at me.
Scolding.
Holy flame.
I could just say keep yelling at me, but that might be a little bit awkward.
Beam.
It's a
Purify.
little
Turn.
suspicious for sure.
2, 1.
Turn away.
Fucker.
And
No.
Andy did not.
Oh, I'm so dead. I'm alive. That was easy.
Just play
I'm gonna die
DK,
to that.
everyone. Yeah.
239 points. Oh
Yay.
my.
Ooh, chest. Let's go.
Wow. Congratulations. Ooh, some booties.
With
They're the
speed.
worst that's possible.
Got speed on
Hell
it, though.
yeah. Hell yeah.
GG's. Banana bread?
For work? At work today? Dude, I want some
Hell
banana
yeah.
bread.
I think Schmitty made some today.
I know, he didn't share.
No, he shared a picture of him shaving everything.
That was
Oh,
wild to wake
God,
up to
dude.
this morning.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, you didn't see,
What are
like,
they doing?
he showed it before of him, like, with the shaving cream on his beard and head.
What? Why?
It's
Some
his
things
get
should
up with
remain
me.
private.
Yeah, I know.
Shook. You're listening to this.
Oh,
Don't do
right. Don't do that. It's weird.
Stop it. Get some help.
Get some help. No, Shake, you do what you want, bro.
Don't listen
He's
to him.
fun.
Yeah, Trick's a great guy. No, I'm not saying that because he's listening or anything. He's just a great guy.
I'm not saying that. Don't
And he's
words in my
actually
mouth.
good at mage too. Are we not
Actually,
going that far? Was that too much?
like he's
Now it's
actually
just
good at a
obvious.
class.
Great.
Yeah, you're kind of pushing it. Now he knows. We know that he knows. Do I have anything that tier on? No, it was pointless putting it on.
You're pointless putting it on.
Sheesh.
I don't know what that's supposed to be.
Nobody knows what it means. It's provocative. It's the people going.
What people?
People.
The people. The beautiful people.
Ed Sheeran?
Yeah.
Ew.
Okay. You ealed Ed Sheeran? Really?
He's garbage. Have you seen his
What?
tattoos too? With his scraggly head of
crazy.
hair?
I like it.
You can't change how his hair. What the hell?
Yeah, it's
You
toxic.
could. It's called dye.
Oh, so you don't like the
That's-
color?
Toxic.
No, I love redheads.
Oh,
He's
you don't
just-
like him because he's a ginger. Of
No.
course.
Wow. Got it here first.
Crazy.
Schmitty, if you're hearing this, that means she hates your wife too.
Sheesh. She's
No.
just coming out like that.
Crazy.
My other man's wife. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Starting shit. How fucking dare you?
I'm telling the
I'm
people.
gonna go into
people
that
being
book
shook.
channel and start
The
talking
people?
shit. Yeah. Oh wait, that's Cobb's fake wife.
This
not
is
Schmitty's
this is
fake wife.
Lifeblood News exclusive.
Jesus Christ.
I need to have like that, like like ZNN news for Classic. I need to have like the World of Warcraft globe kind of like fade in, and then like this just in. Epiphany hates women.
Bippy hates
What?
women. Sheesh.
And then just and immediately goes back to the like your scheduled broadcasting.
Wow.
No context.
Yeah, no context at all. This just in, Dust confirmed gay?
What?
And then it's like, and then it pans over. It's like, oh, never mind. That's old news.
Oh, never mind. Apparently everyone knew that.
We knew that already.
It's just in, Possible might be an alcoholic?
Possible's a raging alcoholic.
Uh,
He was insane the other night.
he was. Dude, I've only seen one other time like that during a weekend raid. Like,
And
I
it was
didn't...
pretty early on, if I remember right.
Yeah.
Unless I'm thinking of a different one. Just possible.
Achievement?
Didn't he also get like super shit faced during the achievement run?
Yeah, for sure he did. He got shit faced then, he got shit faced during like a random weekend group, and then he got shit faced like Thursday.
He like popped into the Discord one time and just started talking. And you could tell he was super drunk because he was like starting to get all up in his feelings about nothing. We're like, what's going on here? Do we need to be worried? And then the next day he was fine. So,
It's an unscheduled, unsanctioned therapy session.
yeah, it was something.